Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint protection on your phone. Basically, if you want your phone to lock up, and one way to unlock it is to use your fingerprint. Okay, so to set up the fingerprint rather, we need to open the settings. So find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, we need to scroll down and find the option called security and privacy. Oh, my bad. Security and privacy. Tap on it. Here, find the option called device unlock and select it. And then look for the fingerprint and face unlock. Tap on it. We want to set up a fingerprint, so tap on it, agree, next. And as you can see, we need to also select the different type of protection, because you will need to have some backup basically. I'm gonna use the pattern. And now we can tap on next and set up our pattern. So I'm gonna use the basic L shape like this, but you can use something more complicated, of course. And now we can tap on Add Now and set up our fingerprint. Basically, we need to place our finger and keep touching on the spot right here on the sensor with our finger. You need to move it around to grab the whole finger like that. And once you're done, you can add another fingerprint if you want to. I'm good with this one, so I'm gonna tap on Done. And now the fingerprint is set up, so we can lock the screen, and if you try to unlock it, it will be locked, and you can use your fingerprint to unlock it. And if you want to add additional fingerprints later on, you can simply go to the settings, the security and privacy, the device unlock, fingerprint, draw the pattern, and then you can add another fingerprint right here by tapping on Add Fingerprint and simply do the same steps as we did before. So use your finger to move it around the sensor so it can detect your fingerprint, and once it's done, it will tell you that it's done recording, and you can then use it to unlock your device or maybe some bank application or something like that. Okay, and that's how you set up a fingerprint protection on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.